How to access drafts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can access drafts on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now let's say that you happen to actually post something and then you simply save them as your draft, right? So let me just select one of these images. And when I come back, I just save this as my draft. Now previously what used to happen was after we save them as draft and then we tap the what's on your mind icon, we would be able to continue from the draft, so we didn't have to select anything. But recently you can see that method is not working. Now there is only two methods that you can do this one is, just in case you haven't cleared the notifications, you'll find the notification that says your draft has been saved. Tap to make changes. So when you tap on it, you should be able to go to a page where you'll be able to see all of your draft, and you can just continue with it and then just continue with the draft. However, let's say you missed the notifications, right? You miss all the notifications. What you can still do is, this only works on Android, by the way. You can actually find it using a notification history. So on my Samsung phone, how it works is that I open up my settings, I go to notifications, go to advanced settings, and then go to notification history. Here I should be able to see all the notifications I've received, where I should also be able to find the Facebook draft notifications. Even though I have dismissed it, because I have notifications history turned on, I will be able to find them, and I can simply find all of those draft posts. This is the only way to do it, because as you can see, if I discard it from here as well, and then if I just refresh it, I tap on this icon or that icon, no matter wherever I go, I personally didn't find the option to find the draft. If you do know, let me know in the comment section as to what other way it is possible. One is via notifications. If you miss the notifications, you can search for the notifications back in your notification history. On any Android phone, this is going to work. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.